few examples here.
So first I'm just going to mirror this phone screen on the TV.
Okay.
Show this on the TV.
By the way,
Devices.
do that at home. Your kids will be like amazed. Great. Now she's gonna go and find some open gallery and find the picture, and let's see what else we can do.
Open gallery. Just opens the gallery, and then we can just select a picture. Set this photo as wallpaper.
So now you can understand that this particular moment, Bixby understand this photo as if the one that is actually shown on the screen. So you will understand the context that you're in and be able to carry that as an action. Now this setting a wallpaper is easy for you and I, somebody who knows how to do it. But for some of the beginners, it's very complicated steps that you will be able to do so very quickly with the voices. Now let's demonstrate how you can call very easily with the facial recognition.
So first you can see that the phone is locked, so the facial recognition happens really quickly. So all I have to do is hold it up to my face. Call Chris.
So you will go and find Chris in the context. If you have multiple of them, you will ask you to choose one and then make a call. Otherwise, you will just make a call right away. Typically, you take 4 or 5 different steps to unlock, to go to contact, find the persons and call. With a Bixby, you can really do it with a one-step, very frictionless experiences. Now let's do one thing that is complicated. Maybe after you travel to some location, what do? You take a lot of pictures, right? And it's very difficult to find all those pictures. So she can do that quite easily by just referring to those pictures from a particular city.
So say I went to find photos from London. Find photos from London.
Now pictures in S8, everything will be tagged with time and locations so that you don't have to tag in individual pictures. You can just say any locations and you will go and find those things. Now what she's going to do, she's going to create a photo album with these pictures.
So I just select the pictures I want. Create a photo album named London.
So there was a names, but let's see whether Bixby could figure it out.
Oh, figured it out anyway.
Okay.
Then we can just go back to our albums. And then there's a new album there, just called London. You can see all the photos there that we selected.
Great. Now, Bixby also can do other things than just simply reacting to the voice commands. We thought about natural interfaces. One of the natural interfaces is like just seeing things, right? And in the smartphone, currently, there is a camera which is available for you to take a picture, but it doesn't do anything else. So we thought about intelligent interfaces going on top of the camera to make things much more intelligent. So let's give a good example that I'm on a date with my wife, and I wanted to show that how intelligent I am by knowing this bottle and just looking at it right away and saying that, yes, this is from where. I can actually, how good that is. So Bixby can actually help you doing that very quickly.
So yes, you can even do a voice command for it. So I can just do scan and search this wine. And it opens up Bixby Vision.
And since she said this is wine, you will go to wine search right away, and it will just tell you. This, by the way, this is from Chile. Then sometimes you don't have to voice command, you can just do it quickly, so you can pretend that you're taking a picture and then finding out more about these locations. Now when you travel to new destination, what do? You take a picture of landmark and whatnot, right? A lot of times if you want to find more about their locations, you have to go to the search, you have to go to the other apps. Now we can do everything in the Bixby camera, right? So
Just like Thomas said, you can also click the camera application and then just select this little icon right there for Bixby Vision. It automatically comes up. select place.
And then what you will do is you will go and find the item in that particular pictures and compare it to the, oh, looks like you failed to read that particular structure.
Yeah, so what it does is it looks at both the image and location data. So say you're in front of the shard, it kind of knows that we're faking it right now.
But, oh, no. All right, we'll skip that. But once it does it, then it will actually make a recommendations what is nearby restaurants or cafe or whatnot. Okay. Final demonstration that we're going to do is the shopping. You can actually scan the items and see whether you can actually find any shop that offers a similar products.
So I just select shopping.
Okay. You can actually do this by just taking a look at the items and search for it. Otherwise, if you want to be very specific, then you can even search the barcode or QR code to be able to get to it. Great. So Bixby, from the language perspective, in the first launch, we're gonna cover in Korean and English. Other languages will be supported, such as Portuguese, in the future. We hope to make it available soon. But from the Bixby, the voice command-driven application perspective, because we are trying to go after the complete nature of every single functions within the app. So at the launch, we're going to focus on 10 native applications of Samsung, such as gallery, phone, contact, phone, Bixby Vision, camera, and so on and so forth. At the same time, other native applications, we're going to make it available soon afterwards, as well as third-party applications in the future. Okay. Any questions?